Hello viewers, welcome. Question number 42. A sector of a circle of radius 21 centimeter sustained an angle of 120 degrees at the center. We have to find the length of the sector of the circle. Remember, a circle have a sector. Then we have the angle at the center is 120. The radius is 21 centimeter. We are only looking for the length. And now, what is the connection between the length of an arc of a circle? We know that the length of an arc, which is L, is theta over 360 times what? 2 pi r. The length is part of the circumference, so we use the circumference out there. That means your length is going to be 120 as the angle at the center times 2 pi is taken as 22 on 7. Radius is 21 centimeter. Let's do some cancellation here. You know, this will cancel this as 3. This will cancel. Go here 1, go here 3. 3 cancel this, so I should be having 44 centimeters. So the length of the arc of that sector from here to here is going to be 44, and that is C as the best option for this question. I believe you like the tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, and come back for question 43.